everyone, I'm Soraya. Thanks for being here with me today. I'm going to be doing a straight pour and then I let it dry, and then once it dries I felt I had to, like I normally want to, enhance it just a little bit, just to make it different and unique, just in my style, which that's what I like to do. So keep watching, let's see what happens. So I'm going to be using some leftover colors that I had from previous projects. This I believe is a Payne's Gray. This is kind of like a navy, and just some plain white. And then the others I'll tell you as I go along. And I love doing straight pours. The patterns that you get from it are pretty amazing. So this is on a 12-inch by 12-inch canvas. I'm going to pour that in first. And I've got 3 of these, so I'll do 1.5. And this is Artist Loft Crimson. They're mixed with Floetrol and water. This is Artist Loft Copper. This is plain titanium white. Looks beautiful inside there. Okay, nice and easy, nice and slow. Woo! This is gorgeous. Gorgeous so far. Wow, this is stunning. Wow, that is gorgeous. I love it. Love how it swoops in that way. That's beautiful. Oh. Now, hope I tilt it. The shine that's coming from the metallics is gorgeous. I love this section. That is beautiful. So I'm gonna make sure to keep that. Stretch it out here. Come back. stretch it out this way. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay, now let me see. Gonna go to this side here. Don't want to lose too much, so I'm going to bring it right back. Okay. Wow. And I'm going to stretch it out this way. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. I think I'm good. I am super thrilled with that. That's it. See what you can create with just simple straight pour. Gorgeous artwork. I'm gonna take you down so you can see up close. Woo, yes. Okay, here it is from my side. I think it's gorgeous. Look at that. The red with the copper and the blue really work well together. And then the gold just kind of works in harmony with the rest of the colors. It's gorgeous. Not too much white, surprisingly. Not a lot of white at all. And I did put white in there, so I think it just served to lighten up some of the blues. So absolutely love this. Gorgeous. So interesting. Can't wait to see what it looks like dry. Just stick with me for 1 second and I'll show you what it looks like. So it only took 1 day to dry and it dried perfectly. Love it. Look at this beautiful red against that beautiful copper. And then the lighter gold against the lighter blue. Contrasting once again with these colors. Look at that, it's gorgeous. I think it turned out beautifully. Let me know in the comments section what you think. Now I love the immediate satisfaction you get from a pour, that gorgeous color coming down. But for me as an artist, I love getting my paintbrushes out and using them, like actually enhancing and changing up those pours to make them really unique and more of my style. Now I usually have my paints on a board of some kind. This time I was being super lazy and just got it straight from the tube. That's Liquitex Titanium White. I felt this area was very important to give the piece a real focal point. The addition of this light blue really complemented the orangey colors of the copper in the pour. Okay, so here it is after the embellishments, the enhancement that I did, and I just like it even more now. colors really pop against those lighter colors, and that's what I wanted. So I'm glad I did that. Let me know what you think. Should I have left it, or do you like the enhancement? Leave me a comment.